The following video shows you how to install GEZE ActiveStop surface mounted on a left-hand timber door. Before we begin, it is important to define whether the installation is on a left-hand or right-hand door. Stand on the side of the door towards which it will open. If the door hinges are on the left, it is a left-hand door. Go to the appropriate section of the installation instructions. First, the mounting plate is installed on the damper body. Use the short screws supplied. Then, close the valve with a 3mm Allen key, using minimal force in a clockwise direction. First, clean the back of the damper body and then the door leaf on the hinge side. Please do not touch the surface for a minimum of 2 minutes after this. Apply the adhesive strip to the body on the side of the body which the mounting plate is above. Measure 90mm from the outer edge of the door leaf and mark the spot. Now pull the protective film from the adhesive strip. Press the body to the right of the marking firmly onto the door leaf. The top of the mounting plate will sit flush. Carefully screw the body into place using the 3 long wood screws supplied. From the left, guide the elastic damping element and then the fixing element into the guide rail. Screw the grub screw supplied into the fixing element. Return the guide rail to the box on the side specified. For the left-hand timber door shown here, place the positioning elements to the points where you can see the words DIN left. Secure these by rotating the lever by 90 degrees. Now clean the back of the guide rail and the frame using the cleaning cloth supplied. After 2 minutes, you can apply the narrow adhesive strips. Now, use the positioning elements to test pushing the guide rail over the body onto the frame. The positioning elements must sit snug to the mounting plate. Remove the protective film from the adhesive strip and press the guide rail firmly into place for around 10 seconds. Screw the guide rail into the frame. Use the 2 remaining long wood screws and tighten them carefully by hand. Then remove the positioning elements. Position the lever on the GEZE ActiveStop axle from the top. Make sure that the marking on the lever sits between the notches on the axle. Secure the lever with the lever screw using a 4mm Allen key. Now, close the door slowly to connect the sliding block and the lever. Use a 3mm Allen key for this. Before moving the door afterwards, you must open the valve on the damper body slightly. Turn it approximately a quarter of a turn anti-clockwise. To adjust the opening angle, open the door as wide as it needs to open in the future. Now, move the fixing element and the damping element in the guide rail until they sit on the sliding block. Screw the fixing element into place. Now, adjust the damping power. First, test the current setting. If you want to change the damping, rotate the valve. Rotations in a clockwise direction increase the damper performance, while anti-clockwise rotations reduce it. If necessary, use the lock latch blocker supplied. The benefit? You can open the door without pressing the handle. Cut the right size and press it onto the lock latch. Fold in the flaps of the adhesive strip and finally clip on the two covers. GEZE ActiveStop is now ready for daily use.